Well, my name is Marquise Cunningham, and for our second part of the project lab, I'm going to go over real quick our activity list and then how we expanded on our WBS. Um, first our activity list is second pretty much completed, um, involving the cost of each uh, each part of the activity. So it's going to say the scope of what's being done, as well as the duration here, and then it's going to end with the cost of labor for each part of the scope. So uh, it's going to show uh, how much the material is going to cost. So for example, this first one is setting up trailer and fences. So about $5,000 for the trailer and fences, labor as well. And that's going to be about $2,500 um, uh, over the amount of time that it takes for them to be installed. So, for example, if it takes 3 days to set up the trailer and the fences, then that's going to be over the scope of the whole 3 days, and then as well as it's going to include the cost of equipment as well. Um, so if it uh, over the entire activity. Um, it goes down to once construction actually starts. Um, some of these they don't require any materials that will be put into the project. So if that is the case, then these ones will be blank. And it just moves straight into labor and then the cost of the equipment. So for clearing away grub, trees, any structures that are on the site. There are no materials that go the into the project for this, so that's going to be left empty, and then it goes similarly like this all the way down. Uh, After the construction is completed, uh, we will start and resolve the punch list. And this is a estimation of the materials that will be allocated for this amount. And then this one will be the estimation of labor. And we're uh, taking no equipment for that. For the WBS, uh, it goes kind of in a similar manner where it goes over. We added the scope of the description. So going a little bit more into exactly what's going to be happening for each activity. So this one says develop site plan, and then it goes more into it. Make a site plan for materials being unloaded, uh, and entrances and exits. And then it's also going to go over the cost of materials, labor, equipment, but this one added total cost and duration. So uh, that works in with labor, as we are estimating uh, how much the crew is going to be paid per day. So you see, as the days increase, the labor will also increase, and also the total cost of the equipment will increase as well. Uh, as if the um if the equipment is being rented and not bought. So if when it comes to certain equipment like um, the concrete truck, uh, is something that the company will own. We'll have to, pay for the time that it takes for the concrete truck to get to us and stay with us day to day. Right? And the structure is set up pretty much the same as the activity list, all the way down to start of construction being here, and then all the way down to closeout and ending with the final walk instead of the punch list. And these activities are expected all to take only one day. So that is what we added so far to the project. Thank you for listening. Have a good one.